Hello world. Emotional intimacy is based on trust. The greater the intimacy, because it connects our hearts and deepest desire to each other. Emotional intimacy creates the roots that bind two people together, and that is the purest bond that there is. That is what brings about the deepest love. To experience emotional intimacy, we have to be honest, completely honest with ourselves and with the other person about our true feelings, and that means creating a safe place to express ourselves without fear of judgment, guilt, or criticism. The moment that you start evaluating or judging the other person is the moment that they will pull away and not feel safe with you. Your closest ally should feel that you always have their back, even if you disagree, not stab them in the back. If you really want the strongest bond of love with another person, then you have to make them feel that they can be completely open with you about anything and that you want to explore their thoughts and feelings with them. This includes their past, their worst mistake, and their fantasies. Trust and respect have to be cultivated with the intention that you want the other person to feel truly free and happy. This is the power of emotional intimacy and love by Joel Clemons. On the post of Anna, it captioned with, I like watching Caught in Frame. From a few months ago, I recall those specific moments, what ideas gave me at that time, what thoughts, emotions, how much joy I had, what doubts accompany what since then I managed to realize where life has led me, and in fact myself through the decision I made, how much I have changed on the outside, how many blocks I have overcome, what new opportunities have I opened myself to, how many chapters have I closed, and how many doors have opened. Pantare and everything else is an illusion. This is extraordinary. Do you have the same? These momentary flashbacks are sometimes very soothing to the here and now. Morning with Anna post with a caption saying that whatever seeds you sow, that what you will harvest. Our thoughts shapes our reality. How many times have you been caught on this? When what was only in your head turned into reality. In moments of euphoria, fear, distress, peace, trembling, our head is the power. It's worth it for yourself step by step to learn how to use it, but it won't happen in chaos. We need to stop for this. Do you allow yourself to have them? I do every single day because I run my life, not anyone else. How is this? What thoughts are you going to allow yourself today? P.S. I love you. As Anna saying, it's not true. Do you know about it? Hi there. It's also so hard. Why? How much more? Others have better. No, I can't. I'm not able. Should I continue? What for? Do you know that life actually is simple, easy, and pleasant? It's your mind programming you differently, collecting all the noise which is around. What seed you sow, such harvest you will reap. So what? How will you start thinking from today? P.S. What happened, Anna? As you said that you had an unexpected visit to the vet with this little one. Oh, so sad to hear it, but good that Leo will be better. It's an allergy and a slight inflammation, Because of that, you are wonderful. Thank you for all the messages. From Anna.
Uprzejmie donosimy, że ten nasz krab dostał leki i będzie tylko lepiej. Dziękuję wam bardzo. Jesteście super. Ty też jesteś super.
Anna had an important message to us. Dear all, let's send our good thoughts today towards the wonderful and profound Atchas, Nastek Kauska, and the entire team of wonderful and talented people. This year, Polish representation on Eurovision is strong. Let the dragons guide you, and our Poland is beyond the borders of the homeland. Support with your votes. Simone do the guesting at Spectaculo EU as he had an interview together with the stars Gilia Schiavo and Simone Susina and the director Francesca Shiru for the movie Malamore, a story of toxic relationship and female redemption set in organized crime. Simone go to his hometown at Catania, Sicily also for his movie Malamore to visit cinema there. In Rome, Italy at Cinema Lux where the movie Malamore take a premiere, as Cinema Lux is one of the most relevant cinemas in Rome. It is located in the historical city center of the city, close to the Tiber River. Cinema Lux is a multiplex cinema branch with 10 screens showing international blockbuster plus live opera streams. Can you all guess now guys where is Simone and what he is up to this time? I know all of you are excited to know what's up and what's up on this handsome Italian man as he emphasizes fantastic tattoos that is not just one, but many all over his body. As the one that I like the most is the Scorpio and the year of his birth.
Running.
Focus. 3, 2, 1. Set. And action.
Yep, we see.
Cut.
Five, four, three.
Simone is in Leila Medhouse in New Marina, Rhodes, Greece. It's a sanctuary of flavor, rhythm, and refined scape. You can enjoy the art of Mediterranean flavors as Leila Medhouse was born from a dream of mystery and allure where candlelit glances meet the rhythm of the night as excellent if in the details and in the people who bring them to life. A name that designs luxury, a place that redesigns it. Enjoy the art of Mediterranean flavors. The menu, a masterpiece, where every sip tells a story of elegance. Watch here, Simone the Goddess of Leila Medhouse as today. And you know guys, the exciting part why Simone is in Rhodes is to shoot a new campaign ad of Blue Energy Drink. What I really love the most when he is taking the scene are when he do it in a boat shooting, where it emphasizes how the atmosphere, the surrounding, blend the elegance of Simone. Look and watch carefully here. Do you agree with me, guys, that the boat scene is the best scene for Simone? Blue is an energy drink brand with international presence, available in over 40 countries, including Sri Lanka. It is known for its sustained energy and hydration without bitter aftertaste, often associated with other energy drinks. Blue offers a variety of flavors, including classic, mojito, and watermelon. The brand is also known for its high caffeine content, with the can containing 132 mg of caffeine. It is a product of Poland and manufactured using the latest technology and superior method of water purification in the most pristine condition to ensure the highest quality standard for its customers worldwide. The energy drink is designed to provide a sustained and hydrating energy boost distinct from the more intense, short-lived effect of some other energy drinks. Blue is recognized for its global presence and international acclaim, making it a popular choice for those seeking an energizing beverage. Blue offers a variety of flavors, including the original, regular, cranberry, and lemon lime.
רגע, אני שם נעליים, שנייה.
אני מרגיש שאתה עוד צריך ל...
Michele and his friend Andrea enjoying the place of London as they roaming around the area and especially visiting the iconic, magnificent landmark of the place. Oh, nice to know it, Michele, that you are planning a concert. Can you tell us to where do you plan to show it? In such a way, Michele, you are right that being exemption is frightening, but we should always remember that each and every one of us are unique. Congratulations to Andrea for this new book of yours that have been released. Michele telling to us on how his experience at Tias at the set of Another Simple Favor at Hotel Villa Adriano. Like this, that he is afraid for a 10-minute non-stop monologue. Wow, really? As Michele was saying, he does make up for his bird. Good to know that even Michele is tired, it's just fine with him as he was satisfied with the outcome and he loved what he is doing. Who do you think will blink first? Let's all take a look on the closet of Michele where we can see the clothes he will gonna wear. Yeah, Dante is literal an Italian mafia in the movie with a huge secret. It's so best to know, Michele, that the crew, the actors are so nice and the food are very good.
My name is Michele Morrone and I play Dante.
We all know, Michele, how you love your character Dante as this is one of your dream role that come true. Sorry you are Anna Kendrick as Dante was an only child, so no brother of him. Blake Lively told how funny Michele was. Really? So true that Michele teach Italian words but Blake Lively learn some bad word. Oh, it's not good. Don't say it. Wow! Fantastic! As they said that Michele is so ridiculously handsome and talented. Coming from the director of the movie on how charismatic and really beautiful Michele was. Michele would have the surprise to us why he is in London. Oh yeah, as he is taking a shooting on UK that he can't tell to us yet. But can anyone guess what it is? But there is a guess of fans that they are saying that he is in England in the country of Surrey, Anglia, because he is filming the series The Gentleman 2 by Guy Ritchie. As we can remember the clay pigeon shooting as it was a part of it. How true it was, we will wait and see. Let's take a glimpse on this book of Dolce & Gabbana where Michele do collaboration with them. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 135 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Right now you can see what's in front of you. You may also have some plans mapped out for the near future. These are the details of the life that you know, but beyond that, there is a life that you don't know through its part of your story too. There are things happening in this world beyond your scope of vision, things that seemingly have no direct connection to you, a conversation that is happening, a decision that is being made, a new path being forged. Every person's journey is a distinct thread in the fabric of the universe. The opportunity that will be arriving, the miracle that is on its way, the universe is weaving these threads together in carefully orchestrated timing, one interesting with another until suddenly it happens. Keep your heart open to the possibility that in any moment your thread can cross with another's, and your journey will be forever changed. The most breathtaking things often find you when you least expect them. What's happening in the background is part of your story too. In this very moment, even though you cannot yet see it, the universe is conspiring in your favor. By Sana Kate Lee.